Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Roblox fail to download or apply critical settings error.
Fix 1. Check Roblox server status. Step 1. Open a browser and search Roblox server status. Step 2. If servers are down, wait and try again later. Fix 2. Restart Roblox and your PC. Step 1. Close Roblox completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Launch Roblox again. Fix 3. Check internet connection. Step 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Use a stable connection. Avoid VPN. Step 3. Try launching Roblox. Fix 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. Turn off VPN or proxy. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Step 3. Sign in again. Fix 5. Run Roblox as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click Roblox player. Step 2. Click Run as administrator.